victory.
Wow.
It's not very big this year.
This is the giant bonfire.
Yes.
Oh,
Last
wow.
year it was bigger, wasn't it?
It was like, well, it's because we were little. When we were little, this thing was a giant.
No, it was bigger.
Oh, well, I guess it's safety.
Yeah.
No, it went all the way up to like 2 of 5 of you. That's how tall it was.
Is this where it's being held?
Yes.
It's a giant.
Yes,
Oh.
they're going to move people back. They'll start the bonfire soon.
Okay.
The way the guy folk was supposed to die. Ask Sandra. No, listen to that story. Sandra, could you tell Jacob the way Guy Fawkes has been condemned? The way they want to kill him?
Oh, the way they wanted to kill him? So when he died, when he was caught,
Oh, I know how they killed him.
okay, what were they going to do?
Basically, they hang him and then they cut him open and take all of his insides out
While he's still alive.
while he's still alive.
And then what do? They quarter him and cut him into 4
and then
pieces.
they cut him into 4 pieces and feed him to the dogs.
Yes, but
Did you hear that?
But
Yeah.
when he was going, when you had to climb up your own ladder to the first noose to be hanged,
Yeah.
and then they stop it before you're dead. But what he did was he climbed up, and
Yeah.
it's such an awful way to die. When he got to the top, he climbed up higher really quickly and then jumped.
And
he
broke his
fell and
neck.
broke his
And
neck.
broke the head.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
That was it.
Them being cut open.
We went to the play Horrible Histories yesterday.
Oh, wow. How was it?
It was good. It was about an hour long, but it was very entertaining.
And funny.
They did talk about Guy Fawkes. So that's why
So, how are you?
I'm good.
Want to say anyone to YouTube?
YouTube. Hi YouTube. This is my first November 5th in the UK.
They can only hear your voice. They can't see you.
Okay, I was about to
Too
say.
dark.
Wait, this is really zoomed in. I like had extreme close up there. But no, exciting so far.
What are you guys doing?
Arm wrestle.
In the dark? Oh! Want to say anything to YouTube in the dark?
Hi!
Family Garden South is over across the street. They've got
How are
their
you,
fireworks.
Jake?
Good. How are you?
Oh, he has a video of our hotel in Chessington.
Yeah, I do.
Can you see it?
Later on.
Okay.
Oh, the toilet is so...
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bada bing.
On the top of it, it has like these toilet and then it has spiders inside all the blocks. Yeah.
God.
Really cool.
Are they people like this?
They will.
You want to go home?
We're standing too close.
I was standing, once I was standing.
Where's Angie?
I don't know where Angie is.
Angie disappeared.
It smells burning. Something smells good. I'm hungry.
Probably a weird combination between mole line and fireworks.
Yeah. Whoa.
So you'd be...
Doesn't something smell good, like marshmallows, or what is that smell
We have
of?
Sweeney's here.
Something smells good. What's that smell?
On Saturday.
It's a delicious
Look
smell.
what they're doing! Look what they're doing! Look what they're doing! They just put like banana pudding. No, that isn't... That's one of the guys.
Oh, it's lots of guys. Go around the other side and see.
Oh, no, other guys.
You're the guys. You're the guys.
Yeah.
They have a competition.
Ma va competizione, cara.
So it's a competition
Me
to
too.
make a guy.
Ah.
And this year there were 4. And
There's a guy.
because there were only 4, they said it's a tie. They're all winners.
That's good. That's really good.
And they're all people from the area.
All children.
The big fire. I just call it.
to do it, but
I just call it the big sun or the fire. I don't know.
we'll do it this year.
Okay.
Okay.
Looking for Angie.
The fire will be here soon. Guaranteed.
Lo si chiama Reward.
Capito? Hanno fatto proprio una competizione.
Sì? Betting on me.
Sì, Jacob? Sì.
Quanti ne hai qua? Quanti ne sono 4?
Sì, 4. Ma vediamo come si fa.
I think you should grow your hair really long.
No, Jacob,
You should grow your hair. You should. It's really, really short. So let it grow.
short.
Let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. Let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. It's pretty cold. Good thing we're going to be near this fire, huh?
That's gonna be.
Yeah, he's the next guy, folks.
Yeah. How'd you like the fireworks?
I love it.
I think so.
Come on, They are gonna be. The fireworks were awesome, but this is gonna be awesome as well.
They can't see you.
If you want to see the next guy folk, apart from the 4 that has been built by the children of the garden, we're gonna have Gianluca and his burning jacket.
Yeah.
You actually got to see him, see? Oh, where is he? Where is he?
He's on fire.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Come si chiama? Signore?
Chi ne si bene?
Guy Fawkes. I'm a Guy Fawkes. Dat wil maar doen. Dat is Stop it.
I've not been eating too much.
You did. No, you had just a sandwich, I guess.
Only one, no? Me too.
One.
Leather.
Me too.
You two.
No, he has 2.
Ba 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 da ba da ba da.
You know, even me, I had 1 sandwich, but you had 2.
Yes and no, I'm
Francesca.
Do you think he's fit?
No.
Come on.
Ho detto, secondo te è muscoloso? L'ho detto no.
On me.
Andate fuori, Gianluca, fermati, Gianluca.
Ma capite che lui ha toccato proprio come al brutto, già sappiamo per un
Let's make more interviews, even to the other guys.
Yeah.
I think, I don't know where is Angie. Ah, there.
Yeah, they're over
Then you
there.
can ask like little stuff. And we can put them together and put the video on YouTube. Are you recording now?
Yes. They can't see you. See, there's nothing to see.
Yeah, go to Michelle. Michelle? Okay, look at this.
Yay!
I'll do the thingy. So, what's about the bonfire?
What do you think of the bonfire?
Interviews.
Not lit yet. I haven't seen the guys.
I mean the fireworks.
Oh, the fireworks are cool.
Spinning!
Stop.
No, I got
No, let's do like tick, 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 tick.
Okay.
Ask
Who's
Gianluca,
next?
ask Gianluca.
Ah, vieni a vedere, Fra.
Oh, shit. Gianluca.
Oh.
How do you feel about the fireworks so far?
Yeah?
What do you think about the fireworks?
Yes, oh, so nice. It's beautiful. I think the best in Mondragone. Do you know Mondragone?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
You came in 8 August to Mondragone for fireworks. I think it's the best.
Yeah, but what about fireworks in London for guy folks?
Yeah, it's nice, so nice.
Okay, who's next?
Oh, Jack, they're putting more. They're burning. Look.
Capito? Ci sta cosa dentro. Hai capito? Ci sta arborendo, saranno 15 minuti di benzina.
It's burning, it's burning!
Dove è Alex? Hello. Where is Alex?
I don't know, in the fire, I
Alex!
think.
I have Alex.
He's in the fire.
Ah, okay, I got him.
Fire? Okay, Alex, come on.
If you're doing it,
Come on.
Careful. Okay.
Jay!
Do you want to go on my shoulder?
It's like a tipi or something.
Yay!
Hold my hand.
This is gonna be epic!
Yes, it is.
Woo! getting big.
Look, Jim, they lit the fire. Look at the smoke. It's like a big birthday candle.
What's gonna happen?
Is all of us on fire? What do you think? Oh yeah, and some people took so hard. They were so hard making these
In the meanwhile, let's carry on with the interviews.
foxes. There's these guy foxes that people use their own stuff.
Do you like
make
it?
a guy
What do you
fox.
think about the fireworks so far?
The fireworks were really exciting, and I had a lot of fun. And now I'm excited that the fire is gonna start. You're getting like my eye, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, Alex. Tell us something about the Guy Fawkes night.
Well, it is epic. Oh, hi, Mom. And
Sandra.
TTNS.
TTNS.
Her daughter was too afraid and they went home.
Capita,